What's good, B-boys and B-girls? My name is Intact and welcome to the Footwork Tips and Variations episode 6. Today I want to show pretty basic combination, but what is the most important part of this combination is a transition which is created out of CC's footwork and which you can use in your own way and connect different combinations from your personal vocabulary together. So our structure will consist of 6 steps, then a transition based on CC's footwork and directly to the baby freeze. So the transition that we're gonna use gonna help us to make the connection between 6 step and baby freeze. And of course, once you know how it works, you can take this transition and use it separately with more advanced combinations, just to keep the flow and to make the execution cleaner and smoother. Take a look on the structure. I'm not gonna waste your time and explain how to do 6-step or how to do baby freeze. We're going directly to the main subject of today's lesson, which is transition based on the CC's footwork. So once you executed the first step of the CC's and you already in that position, make sure that only one hand is on the floor, another hand is in the air. Like don't put it here, make it more open. So once you reach this position, you're going back to the left leg if you're doing it to the left side. The right leg is going on the circle. That's one of the most important moments in that transition. So you need to be sure that the leg is not going just under the knee, but it goes on the circle and only then going under the knee and kicking it out. Take a look one more time. Step on the circle, kick out, change. So once you change your legs, you're ready to do the sweep and to go to your baby freeze. So one more time, step by step, pay attention. You made the CC, you're going back to the left leg if you're executing to the left side. The right leg is going on the circle under the knee and kicking out the leg, making a step on the right leg, change your legs and you're ready to go to sweep. Try to make a loop based on this transition. Take a look. CC's, kick, sweep, CC's, kick, sweep, CC's, kick, sweep. Once you feel yourself comfortable in that small combination, which is gonna be your main transition, try to go to the baby freeze directly after the front sweep. CC's on the circle, kick, and from here you're not going to the footwork, but you're really making the front sweep, putting your body weight on the right hand and left hand is ready to go to the baby freeze. Now once you know the combination to one side, try to do it opposite side. In my case, this is the right side. So I'm going to the CC's, to the right side. Everything is the same, no changes. Kick, from here, sweep, CC's, kick, sweep. Thank you for watching this lesson. Work hard, make your practicing productive, and always trying to improve and become better version of yourself first of all. See you in the next lessons.